Most landscaping and home service business owners think all management software works the same. But here's the truth no one tells you. The difference between Jobber and LM can decide how smoothly your entire operation runs in 2026, especially when your schedule starts getting busy. In this video, you'll get a clear breakdown of Jobber versus LM, what each one is built for, where they perform best, and which one actually delivers real value, depending on your business type. Let's get into it. First, what are these platforms? Jobber and LM are both field service management tools used by landscaping, lawn care, and home service businesses. They help with scheduling, estimating, invoicing, customer management, and job tracking. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even though they overlap, they are built with different business philosophies. Let's start with Jobber. Jobber is designed for simplicity and ease of use. It focuses on helping small to mid-sized service businesses manage daily operations without complexity. A business owner like Jake running a small landscaping crew can schedule jobs, send quotes, invoice clients, and track work, all in one clean system. The biggest advantage is how easy it is to learn and use. Teams can get started quickly without heavy training. But here's the problem. Jobber can feel limited when you need deeper landscaping-specific estimating and production tracking at scale. Now let's move to LMN. LM stands for Landscape Management Network, and it is built specifically for landscaping businesses. It focuses heavily on estimating, job costing, production rates, and profitability tracking. A landscaping contractor like Alex managing multiple crews can break down job costs, estimate accurately, and track profitability per project in detail. Now here's where it gets interesting. LM is not just about managing jobs, it is about managing profit per job. But here's the catch. LM can feel more complex and takes more time to set up compared to Jobber. Let's compare estimating and quoting. Jobber offers simple and fast quoting. You can create estimates quickly and send them to clients in minutes. LM takes estimating to a deeper level. It helps you calculate labor, materials, and production rates so your quotes are more accurate and profitable. A technician like John might find Jobber faster for daily quoting, but LM stronger for high-value landscape projects. Now let's talk scheduling and operations. Jobber has a clean and easy scheduling system. You can assign jobs, view calendars, and manage crews without confusion. LM also has scheduling, but it is more tightly connected to production planning and job costing rather than just task management. Now here's where it gets interesting. LM helps you understand not just when a job is done, but how efficiently it was completed. Let's talk job costing and profitability. This is where LM really stands out. It tracks labor hours, material costs, and estimated versus actual profit per job. Jobber provides basic tracking, but it is not as deep in financial analysis. But here's the problem. If you are not using job costing properly, you may be completing jobs that look busy but are not actually profitable. Let's talk ease of use. Jobber is simple, clean, and beginner-friendly. Most teams can learn it quickly. LM is more advanced and requires more setup and understanding, but it gives deeper business insights. Now here's the key insight most contractors miss. Jobber helps you run your business smoothly day to day. LM helps you optimize and scale your profitability long-term. So which one actually delivers? If you're a small or growing service business that wants simple scheduling, quoting, and invoicing without complexity, Jobber delivers better day-to-day usability. If you are a landscaping business focused on scaling, improving margins, and understanding job profitability in detail, LM delivers more long-term value. Now, here's the turning point. The best software is not the one with more features. It is the one that matches how deeply you want to manage your business. To wrap it up clearly, Jobber wins in simplicity, speed, and ease of use. LM wins in estimating accuracy, job costing, and profitability control. If this comparison helped you understand the difference, hit like so more contractors can see it. Subscribe for more honest software breakdowns. And comment below what tools you want compared next so you can make smarter decisions without wasting time or money.